This is for the wireless charger for the PS5 controller. Definitely cool, easy to install. All right, with one hand, as you can see, automatically comes on. See, it's charging. Definitely works well while you're playing the game, but doesn't really work well with PS5 Pro controller. So this is like the first one, I guess, that they came out with. So when you connect it, it does charge, as you can see, but if you're trying to play, you gotta excuse the hand grips, look like I've been hawking a lot. You see the buttons on the back. You can't use these buttons on the back when you're playing with the Pro controller, but you can still play normal, like it's a regular controller. So I recommend it for somebody that has a standard PS5 controller. It's automatically cuts on and easy to cut off. See there? But yeah, it's a cool product though.